back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day. And before I forget, I want to remind you guys, I do have an active giveaway going on. It does end on April 18th. If you head over to my Disney Villains ColourPop video, you will find the rules to enter, and you have a chance to win the Show Me Your Moo Brie robe from FabFitFun, as well as a brand new Michael Kors wallet. So hop on over if you have not already and check out that video and the rules to enter. Also, if you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you. If you love unboxings and review videos, this is certainly a channel for you, and we always have a good time. So we'd love to have you join us. And as always, please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and leave a comment telling me about your day and what you thought of the video. I love hearing from you guys. But as you can see, this video is not actually really an unboxing per se, but it's a review. This was an item that was sent to me from a very, very nice lady. Her name is Angela. She has an Etsy shop, and it is Elegant Glow by Angela. Let me double check. Yes, Elegant Glow by Angela. And I am so excited to open this. It came all like fragile, handle with care. I did go ahead and just cut the top here. So we are going to dive in, and if this is half as pretty in person as it is on her site, it is going to be gorgeous. It is a makeup brush holder, packaged very nicely. Oh, okay, so she wrote a little note here, but it says, when you support small business, you're supporting a dream. Thank you. I think that is awesome and so true. And then we have a business card here, Elegant Glow Custom Candles and More. And that is, she has tons of items. I mean, I saw, obviously she does candles, but I also saw like name badge reels and just all kinds of stuff, obviously. Makeup holder, makeup brush jars, and just different stuff, and it's all so gorgeous. I will put a link to her Etsy site down below for you guys, so head over and check her out for sure. I can't wait to see this. I'm so excited. Like I said, if it is half as pretty in person as it is in the pictures, it's going to be gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay. Y'all ready? This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. She did very kindly send this to me for review to share with you guys, you know, and to kind of let you know about her shop. So I am super thrilled. And like I said, I knew that the pictures, you know, I knew it was just going to be absolutely gorgeous. Y'all ready? Wow. But first, makeup. Look how shiny and pretty it is, and it is glass. I love this, you guys. Is it not just so pretty? And let's be honest, we all need so many makeup brush holders because we all have so many brushes. It's like almost every month we somehow get a new brush in some subscription box. So, and I think down here this is super nice as well. It does say Elegant Glow by Angela Carter. So it does have like her logo here on the bottom. But is that not just like sparkly, beautiful goodness? Ah, I love it. It is so pretty. She did such an amazing job. Oh, I just love the sparkle. I'm loving it. And I'm about to go put some brushes in it. So like I said, I will definitely put a link to her Etsy site down below. So if you guys like this, and this was only $13 was the list price for it. Let me double check that. Yes, $13. So that's not bad for a like custom, makeup brush holder, and it is just so gorgeous and like I said, sparkly. You guys know I love sparkly shimmery eyeshadow, but I love all things sparkly. So this is the beautiful But First makeup brush holder from Elegant Glow by Angela on Etsy. So again, a link will be down below for her Etsy page. Head over, check her out. Let me know what you guys think. I just love it. So, yay. All right. I'm very excited. Can you tell? I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I will talk with you guys at the next video. Bye.